Sup gamers, I have this sweet Palkia Dialga limited edition DS Lite here. It is very broken, it is in pretty rough shape, but we're gonna get it back up and running and looking in the best shape we possibly can. It turns on, but the bottom screen flashes, which implies that the top screen ribbon cable has been totally smashed, and I mean, yeah, this dude's not looking too good, guys, so I have a top screen replacement here for it, and we're gonna get this hinge fixed. So, let's do it! It's probably gonna be really dusty. Not as bad as I would have thought, so that's good. This plate honestly hardly has any dust in it.
Bruh.
This board is looking good. Let's get our motherboard out. Looking okay. So we're gonna keep the bottom screen here attached to the board because it works, it's all good. The board should work as well. Though I did forget to mention, these shoulder buttons are bad, so we'll have to be cleaning those. So let's get to that right now. Alrighty guys, so we got the shoulder buttons all fixed up, so now I'm going to clean up the A, B, X, Y, and D pad buttons. So now let's continue with disassembly. So the top screen is obviously broken, so we don't really have to be careful with that. Kind of just rip it out of there. It really doesn't matter. This hinge piece will set off to the side. Bottom inner plate will set off. So now we need to puncture these 4 rubber pads up here to get to the screws. Now these rubber pads are actually a different color than the black ones. They have a special gunmetal metallic gunmetal gray paint to them. So these guys cannot be replaced. We have to keep these guys in best condition as possible. It's really hard to though, because we have to stab them to get them out of there.
Kill confirmed.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're...
Okay guys, so we got the top screen and everything out of there, so now we need to swap the top screen. This is a top screen from a normal black DS Lite, and this is the top screen from this Pokemon Edition DS Lite. We can see the borders are totally different. This has the same gunmetal paint as the shell, and this does not. So we need to move this border over to the new top screen. So to do that, I'm going to peel this one away. Set it down in here quickly. Make sure it's flush. And now we remove the border of our good top screen. There's no dust in there, that's awesome. And then we quickly set it in place. And we hope that we got it. And yeah, that's perfect, so. Good. So now we'll make sure it's stuck, so we'll stick it down good. And then we can remove it. And basically begin reassembly. So we get this metal ring in here. And now we can basically begin reassembly. Of course, this piece had a broken hinge, so we can't really use this piece unless we super glue it, and I don't want to wait, So I went ahead, I have another piece of this. The hinge was also broken, however I went ahead and super glue it. so we can continue reassembly with this piece right here. So we got the metal ring in there. So let's install this top screen. Now we can install our Wi-Fi antenna. And then our microphone. Now we can set it back down in place, get these speakers routed. Okay, once everything is routed correctly, let's make sure this top screen ribbon cable isn't poking through anywhere, okay? And now let's get this plate back on. I have the original matching bottom plate for the top plate that I just replaced, so alrighty, let's get our gunmetal hinge in here. Now let's get all of our buttons in place. Alrighty guys, let's get the board in and test it. Make sure it works. Alrighty guys, does it work? Did I do it? Hey, look at that. Look at how nice that is, dude. This hinge is flush. Super glued, did a really good job. Buttons work. Touchscreen works perfect. Let's make sure the shoulder buttons work here. L works, but R doesn't. Let's refix R real quick. So what I'm gonna do for this, I dipped this in IPA and I'm just gonna drip it over here. Brush it in there, and now I'm going to click it a lot of times.
2000.
Alright, let's test it again. Yeah, just like new. Alright, let's finish getting this guy all back together. Bam. Let's get all the screws back in. Okay, so now I'm gonna try my absolute best to get all of these scratches out of the top screen. Let's just clean it up real quick, see what we're working with here. Man, it's so unfortunate how bad of a shape this is in. None of the heavier scratches are gonna come out, but I can still try. Alright, let's see what that did. I'll tell you what, it's a lot shinier. But yeah, a lot of those scratches are just too heavy to be taken out. It does look better though, because it's real shiny. But alrighty guys, that's about it. This guy is working 100%. It looks awesome. It's in pretty rough shape still, but I did the best I could. If you guys enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. It would mean the world. I have another one of these guys on the way, except it came straight from the Pokemon Center stores from Japan. It is broken. I don't really know what's wrong with it though, but I'm going to be unboxing it and fixing it in a video here soon on my channel. So if you want to see that, stick around, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.